everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here with my submission for hashtag Two Crafters One Design and hashtag Satmore Makes. Hashtag Two Crafters One Design is hosted by Melissa, who is Mo Creations, Gloria, who is Girly as Cards, and Lisa, who is You See Why I'm a Diva. Hashtag Satmore Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of their links will be in the description box, so please check them out and show them some crafty love. Each week, hashtag Two Crafters One Design has a theme, and the theme for this week is harvest. All right, so I'm going to share with you what I use for my submission today and then show you what I created. Okay, I used quite a few Distress inks, Distress Oxide inks. It was too many to have right here in this space, so I just said I would read the colors off to you. I used Vintage Photo, and again, some were just Distress inks and others were Distress Oxides. Brushed Corduroy, Fossilized Amber, Scattered Straw, Spiced Marmalade, Shabby Shutters, Rustic Wilderness, Gathered Twigs, Crackling Campfire, Peeled Paint, Fired Brick, Crushed Olive, and Tea Dye. So as you can see, that was quite a few. All right, for my paper, I used a sheet from here, Harvest Time. This rubbernecker is now called Brass and Bliss. I use this paper tray ink paper, Ripe Avocado. And this is 110 pound from Michaels, and I used this orange one. And I use this stamp set, and I use the stamp Thanks for Your Kindness. And years ago, Ebony blessed me with this stamp. I used this set from Honeybee Stamps, and this is called Lovely Layers Fall Bounty. This stamp set from Honeybee, and I used in All Things Give Thanks. And this one is called Fall for You, as you can see right there. And this die set from Honeybee, and this is called Rattan Basket. And I also pulled out this My Creative Time Fancy Slider Card die. So this is my first time actually using any of these dies in the Honeybee stamp set. And I also used a Copic marker, and this is E59. It's kind of blurry there. Okay. All right, so I created a card today, and I put it in this envelope to show you that it would fit, but it takes a minute to get it in there. But I created a slider card. And as you can see, these are the Honeybee dies right here. All right. And you pull this tab. My finger's under here. And this says, Thanks for Your Kindness. And then on the inside, In all things, give thanks. And then I left space to write a note at the bottom. All right. I had fun doing this. I thought it was going to be a little challenging, but actually I watched a video by Melissa Carroll, and I will have that link in the description box if you're on the fence about whether you want to buy this die or not. But I thought it turned out really, really cute. But I just love that. And I meant to have the little stamp press that I used, because it was quite helpful, because you can't stamp there until you're almost finished. So before I put this piece on. So that was quite helpful to have. It's a very old stamp press, and it was one that had the cushions at the bottom, and then you just push it down once you have the stamp positioned like you want it over the paper. Very helpful. Very old, so you don't get rid of all old things. All right, but that is my submission, and you can see here where I was inking the gourds. And I did follow a tutorial on that as well. But I had fun with that. So again, that is my submission. Check out everyone's link in the description box. Please play along. And if you do, put the hashtags 2crafters, 1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy crafting.